In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to tap so that your Reels watch activity is cleared out. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to clear the Reels history. It helps to be connected to a stable internet connection so the changes save properly. From the main Facebook home screen, look toward the bottom or top of the app, depending on your device, and tap the menu icon. This is the 3 horizontal lines that open up all of your Facebook options and settings. Inside the menu, scroll until you find the Settings and Privacy section, then tap on it. This will expand a few more options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where Facebook keeps all of your account, privacy, and activity controls. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the Activity Log option. The Activity Log is basically a history of what you've done on Facebook, including posts you've interacted with, videos you've watched, and more. Go ahead and tap Activity Log to open it. Inside the Activity Log, look for a section related to your videos or Reels watch history. On many versions of the app, this appears under Logged Actions and Other Activity, where you can find options for videos you've watched. Tap into that section so you can see the list of Reels and videos you've viewed in the past. Here, you'll see individual entries for the Reels you've watched. To delete specific items from your Reels history, tap the 3 dots next to a Reel entry and then choose the option to delete or remove it from your history. This will clear that particular Reel from your watch activity so it no longer appears in your log. If you want to tidy up more thoroughly, repeat this process for any other Reels you'd like to remove. Take your time and scroll through the list, especially if you watch a lot of Reels. Deleting entries one by one gives you more control over exactly what stays in your history and what goes. When you're done, you can simply back out of the activity log and return to the main Facebook screen. Your changes are saved automatically. That's all you need to do to delete Reels history on Facebook. Follow these steps whenever you want to clear out your watch activity and keep your account history a bit more organized and private.